So we're getting off 512, the Eatonville South Hill exit. It's rainy today. It'll probably be rainy any day you come into the clinic. Maybe not. Stay in the left lane so you can get in this left turn lane. We're going to go right past the mall. This puts us right on Meridian. We're just gonna go straight. So we've got the mall. We're gonna go right past on this side. And if you just stay in this lane, it puts you right where we need to be, because these right turn lanes end. This video, but that's going to be the new Chick-fil-A. We just go through the light again. You can't see our sign from Meridian, but if you just turn either at Dickey's Barbecue Pit or the following entrance right here at Cheers, you can see the sign for Ross, and we'll go right up past this Ayutthaya Thai restaurant. There's Men's Warehouse, Mattress Depot, and there's Ross. Best Buy's down the way, and Bed Bath & Beyond. As we come into the parking lot directly across from Ross, you'll see us right here. And we'll see you when you get here.